Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday morning. Some would say it's Taco Tuesday, but not here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It is actually going to be a Mexican cuisine day, which yes, I know tacos are Mexican, but I'm not doing tacos. But I'll get back to that in a minute. Yesterday was twofold. A sweet brioche bread pudding with a brown sugar sauce. Yummy. Notice there's two ingredients left out of the bread pudding. And they were cinnamon and nutmeg. I will add that to the notes. Yes. Oops. I didn't write it. And I did egg foo young for dinner. I actually got to play with my new cleaver that Chef Mark brought back for me from either Thailand or Hong Kong, one of those two. So yeah, what's fun about egg foo young is you can do with it whatever you like. If you want mushrooms, have mushrooms. If you want onion, have onion, and so forth and so forth and so forth. It's something you can customize. But what's good about this recipe is the sauce. It's very nice. It's yummy. All right, today, the Mexican cuisine day is pozole. Yes, I'm doing a chicken pozole. Let's get to it. Got the hardware. A nonstick fry pan and the smallest of my stock pots. Not a Dutch oven today. A stock pot. And we have, of course, the pollo, the chicken. The tortilla chip rounds are for eating the meal, to go with it. And kosher salt, black pepper, white hominy, garlic, onion, of course, chicken stock. Now, the goodies that go with the meal are jalapenos, cabbage, which I'll shred, and again, I will dice up about half of this other half of this onion. Now, for the red chile sauce, there's a little bit of chicken stock, some oil, tomato paste, bay leaf, cumin seed, Mexican oregano, and 2 different dried chilies, guajillo, and ancho. These I picked up from La Superior last week, and I do have some leftovers from other meals I've done. And some cilantro. I actually picked this up last Saturday. I've tried to keep it alive. This would probably be the last day for it. But I'll get it. I'll definitely get what I need off that. And the last piece of hardware is the good old food processor for the red chile sauce. So, yeah, I have a lot of fun doing this type of stuff. I learn a lot. I try to research it, and so forth. So, if you're not having pozole, make sure you get your tacos from your favorite taqueria. This house is going to smell fantastic in a few hours. Yeah. All right. On this Mexican cuisine day, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.